Welcome to my project demonstration video for TinyLink website, which I have made. Mm, so this is the website. So it has a hero section, a dashboard section, and a FAQ section, and header footer as well. Here in this dashboard, we have two cards. First one for creating a new links, and second one for the link history actually. Here we can put any destination URL or target URL. Like this. This is a big URL. Now we can add custom code if we want to. If we don't want, we don't need to do that. First I am showing it. Yeah, like this. The short link has created. This is the link. By clicking this button, we can copy it, and here is the stats for the link, like the click count and last click time. This is the stats page button. Like if we click it, we can see the total clicks number, the short code, destination URL, created time, and last click time. Now let's click that, and it will redirect me to the Neon console page. I mean this page actually. Yeah, like this. So now if we refresh that page, we can see the click count has incremented, and the last click time is less than a minute ago. Similarly, if we click to the stats page, it is showing the same. Total click number has incremented, and last click time has changed from never to less than a minute ago. Okay, so this is the custom link I made, and if we wish, you can simply click on shorten URL. It will generate a random short link for that also. If we click on that, yeah, it is redirecting us to the google.com page. And if we again refresh it, we can see the click counts. By this action delete button, we can actually delete the link. So for database, I have used Neon Postgres, so we can see the records here. Like it is now loading. Yeah, this link database, and here is the row data. There is the ID, shortcode, original URL, clicks, and last click, and created time. Okay, and this is our backend server, tinylink move.parcel.app. Here is the healthy link. I have also implemented the theme for theming for this web page. Not, I have not used too much styling for this project, but like keep it simple. But yeah, but I can see actually. You can see the UI design, and it is responsive also. So let's move to the code base part. This is our server.js, Express.js server. Now we are importing the database URL, port, and the process Node.env. Here we will simply add our port number. Here we will put our database URL, and in node environment we will simply put development or production as per our requirement. So now in this code block, first we are evaluating the custom code we are giving, whether it is in the range of a to capital A to Z, small a to Z, or 0 to 9, and we are checking the length of the custom code, whether it is in between 6 or 8. Then after that we are creating the entry point, like a slash lz, for checking the server is running or not, backend server is running or not. mm. By this we are getting 200 status code true and the version, okay, and version. Now create link part. Here we are checking for the URL user is giving is valid or invalid. After that, if custom code is has given by the user, we're checking that by this function. Or if it is not there, then we are simply creating a code using NanoID. After that, we are checking if the code exists. If it is existed, then we are returning 409 that shortcode is already existed. If not, then we are inserting that value to any row data, original URL shortcode, then returning the object as 201 status code by showing the result rows 0. I mean the first row of the table. After that, if any error is occurring, we are catching that. Like if concurrent access is going on, uh, somebody has created a link short. If two user has created a short code, same short code, concurrent in a concurrent process, then what will happen is that if the first one will execute and second one will get 409, that shortcode is already existed. We're handling that part also. And after everything, we are checking if any error is occurring on the server or not. If it is, then we are giving 500 as internal server error. Now for the dashboard part, we are listing all the links. So simply we are querying that select star from links table. So there we are getting all the values for the rows, and simply passing that. If any error occurred, then 500 status code is given. After that, get link stats. I mean the if we are when we are checking the stats page for a single link, then we are hitting this query select start from links where shortcode is. We are passing the code from frontend to backend and backend to database. Then we are checking the shortcode is existed or not. If not existed, then we are giving 404 status code as link not found. And if it is existed, then we are simply giving that result data. If any error occurred, then we are giving the 500 status code. Now the deletion part. When user is deleting any link, then we are checking if it is existed or not. If it is not existed, then 404. If it is existed, then we are giving 204 as a status code. And this is the query delete from links where shortcode is the shortcode. If any error occurred in any process, we are simply giving 500 as our status code, that internal server error. After that, redirection feature, the core feature for this project. When user is making a shortcode, then when he is hitting that URL, then this query will run select original URL from links where shortcode is shortcode. So after that, user will get the original URL from this. So now here we are checking if the code is existed twice or thrice or multiple times or not. If it is existed, then we are giving the first row value for the original URL. This is for the safe side actually. As I have built in this, or say a single developer has built this. This is all. This is not needed, but in a production area, when multiple devs are working on a same project, then if anyone who has put the who was working on that link shortcode creation thing, and I was working on this redirection feature. Then if he is not implementing the logic that custom code can be only made once, So what will happen is that multiple similar codes will be there in our database, but in by doing this redirection feature, we are handling that thing. Thus, it will only fire the first row or of the first row of the table. Will redirect the URL from the first row of the table. Okay. Now, after redirecting the to the original URL, we will simply updating the incrementing by one, and last click time as now. When error is occurred when we are updating this query, we are simply console.error, simply consoling, simply catching the error and give this output. If the link is not found, then simply it will give 404 link not found error. And if any error will occur in our backend server, then it will give the 500 status code. After all of this, we will starting our backend server to the number which is given in the environment variable. Okay. We need a Vercel.json file because we are deploying it to the Vercel. Now move to the front-end part. This is the basic folder structure we have, starting from main.js. Here we are implementing browser router, the root level, like we are wrapping it inside the whole app. Then we have app.js file. Here we are importing four components: loading, header, main, footer. Uh, Loading, this is the main loader function, and return loading. After that, we are adding header and footer. Let's move to the component folder. Here we have multiple components. Let's start with the header. This is the header we have. This is the footer we have. Now this is our main function. We are importing the dashboard and stats page, and we are wrapping it to the routes. And we are making route path as home path, and this one is code. Like this. Now let's open the dashboard. Here we are importing four components: create link form, link item, hero, and FAQ. At first we have the hero section here, then create link form here, and after that link item. This is the FAQ. Now let's move to the hero section. This is the basic hero section we have. Then we will go to the create link form. This is the file which is handling the link creation form, like this one actually. This is the link create link form, and then we have link item.js. This is for the table. This one. The copy link, the redirection link, the target URL, clicks, last click time, stats, and deletion. Everything is handled in this link item.js. After that, we have a small FAQ section, some question answers, and simply we are handling the FAQ section here. We are using frame animation. Okay. Then after that, we will move to the statspage.js. This one is for the for showing the stats for a single link, like this one. So this is all for the component part. Yeah. We have a single env for the frontend part, while backend URL. We will put our backend URL here. This is all for the project code part. And this is the GitHub repo for this project. We have maintained the repo file and the frontend backend structure. We have deployed it on version. This is the backend server. This is the frontend server we have, and this is the Neon Postgres database we are using. This is the backend server. This is the frontend, and like the home assignment, we have this one. Yeah, like this. So it is working fine, and feel free to check out this. And on the transparency, I'm saying that I use Google Gemini AI for this project. When I was looking to the assignment PDF, I have also uploaded this PDF uh, to the Gemini. It has generated a response and give the execution plan and like building stuff. And after everything, what I have built from it is like this thing. And after that, I have refined the UI and check the backend, all the backend links and API calls, tested it out, and deployed it, uploaded it to the GitHub and deployed it like this. All of this I have made this.